What is up? Happy Friday. Welcome on into the Champion Studio. That's right. We got the championship belt right here. This is for the eating contest. If you haven't seen it, you can go back and watch it. This is the championship belt for the eating contest. 4 Big Macs, 40 McNuggets. And now we got the championship belt. So what do we just say? The champ is here? Is that how we do it? How do they hold these things anyway on the, like a John Cena champ is... No, just kidding. So what do you say? Should we just film this whole review with the championship belt around the shoulder? That's right. I said review because today is Friday. You know that. And the company that we unboxed on Monday, if you pay attention, is High Mountain Sage. High Mountain Sage, check it out. How classic looking is that? So we got a company right here out of Utah. And I say right here like I'm from Utah, but I'm not from Utah. So let's not say from right here out of Utah. Let's say from Utah. So a company out of Utah, we got some amazing things about this company. I'm going to put them out on the Faithful Ranker Score. Put it up. I swear, Mick, you keep calling me. You keep calling me, man. I can't handle it. So let's just take this step right here and put the phone on silent. Put the phone on silent because we don't need any interruptions while we're doing this. I'm Tyson with Faithfully Bearded. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell, and turn on all notifications so you know when we come out with new content. So we got a company out of Utah who, you have an owner, started growing sideburns, beards. He's considered a beard aficionado. Started making products, handing them out to friends and family, and then decided it's time to get it out there because you get good feedback and you just want to spread it to everybody else that you know. So we got 2 cents from High Mountain Sage. Do you think that figures into the Faithful Ranker Score? I don't know. Type it in the comments below if you think that does. And also, what is in your beard today? What is in your beard, sirs? Or ma'ams? Ma'ams, if you're ma'ams, what is in your man's beard, or where do you wear your beard product? I don't know. Type it all down in the comments below. But the first thing that we like to talk about is beard oil. So I got 2 different beard oils right here, as you can see. 2 different oils. I got original and I got tree mint, right? And with the ingredients here, I'm going to kind of flip these labels around so you guys can see. I'm going to kind of go slowly around. You have castor oil, jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, meadow foam oil, essential oils, and vitamin E. All right. So these are scented up with essential oils. Now, with essential oils, for me personally, I don't like essential oils. I don't think you can get amazing scents with essential oils. I don't think you can get long lasting with essential oils. But with this tree mint one in particular, I absolutely love this scent. So you got vanilla, tea tree, and peppermint. And a lot of tea tree scents I'm not a huge fan of, but this particular one, the tea tree is not overwhelming. I think the peppermint is more than anything in there, but the peppermint and the tea tree really mix together well. So I like that scent. The other one is cedarwood, sage, and orange, and that's just what they call the original scent, cedarwood, sage, and orange. And when I first smell that, I mean, I get like cedarwood, and then it kind of finishes off with a little sagey. I don't really get the orange in it, so maybe it kind of sweetens it up a little bit, or maybe it gives it a little bit more of a punch. But I really get the cedar up front, and then the sage kind of comes out, and you get this earthy, woodsy feel, like scent to follow up. So with the feel on this, and the feel in beard is actually really good. You got a nice, really good feeling beard. You got a little bit thicker of a medium, a little bit thicker of an oil. That castor oil being the first ingredients kind of tend to make that a little bit thicker. But the jojoba oil kind of thins it out a little bit, the hemp seed oil, and the meadow foam oil. Again, all carriers that I really like, except for jojoba, jojoba, no hoba. I'm not a big jojoba oil fan, but that's okay. I've grown to kind of like it lately. So you got a really good feel in here. I rated the feel really high when it comes out to the Faithful Ranker Score. As far as the scent duration, like 2 to 4 hours. They're essential oils, so we all know with essential oils you don't get super long scents. You get about 2 to 4 hours with them in my particular beard, and that does factor into how I rank out the oils. So when I rank out the oils, I come in at an 8.98. We're just going to call that a flat out 9 across the board, 9 on the oils. Again, I don't really have much feedback other than with this. I love the labels. I love them. I would love to see them get into fragrance oils. They are going to. It's going to be a few months yet, but they're dabbling in fragrance oils. And I would love to see them put like what treatment actually is, like tea tree, peppermint, and vanilla. Like put that on here, just because, I mean, I can kind of guess what treatment would be, but like original. When I'm having it on the shelf and in 2 months when I grab it, I want to know what original means and what it is, but I don't see it anywhere on here of what it is. I had to go to the website to find it. That's fine, but I really enjoy the Frosted Amber bottles, the way they matched up the label and their logo. I think it looks really, really good. So 9.0 on the oils. Then we move on over to the balm, and with the balm, I have the same scents here in these 2-ounce glass balm containers, and these guys did it right. I can see that it says balm, right? I can see that it says the treatment. I can see the label around the side. If I stack them up like this, I can still see which one's which. And you got shea butter, beeswax, argan oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, lanolin, fragrance, and vitamin E. I love lanolin in my products, and when you scoop this balm out, it feels pretty hard. It feels really good, and it kind of sticks up that way in the beard as well. It gives a really good hold. With that being said, part of the problem with essential oils is they don't overcome the scent of beeswax or shea butter or anything of the likes. They don't overcome that very well unless you put way too much in. But if you're going by normal standards, what you should be doing for safety, I just don't feel like there's enough essential oils in that safety measure to overcome the scents of those two particular ingredients. So for me, I do smell some of the butter, some of the beeswax. Not a big fan, let me tell you. Not a big fan of that. But as far as feeling beard, I really like that. And the scent, if you were to, I mean, I can smell some scent profile in here. So again, I talked to the company about this. They confirmed basically what I was thinking is you can't put enough essential oils in to overcome that scent. And that's okay. I mean, I think if you like the natural essential oil type thing, you're going to be used to that and you're going to be okay with it. If you want fragrance oils, it's coming. They should be able to mask that scent up. So we have the same scents. We have a past a medium hold. You got nice containers here. And again, I come on this at a 9.0 as well. The scent thing gets me a little bit. And, you know, it just smells kind of weird in my beard. So, I mean, in my beard, it's kind of weird. And then we have these little mustache waxers. And you got them in this, like, slide out tin. I think these are pretty good. Is this original? Okay, so this isn't the one I used. I used this one. I used it one day. This stuff is a holding mustache wax. Holy cow, this is probably the best mustache wax I've ever used. But I couldn't get over the scent. I put it in one day. And I was like, wow, this is holding my mustache exactly how I want. But I continued to smell the smell all day long. There's not enough essential oils in the world that can overcome the smell of this beeswax that they use. And there's nothing wrong with that. They're an all-natural company, so there's nothing wrong with that. But when it's in my mustache and holding, I just right there under the nostril, smelling it all day. So I'm really coming in with these at an 8.7. I think everything is really on point there, other than I'd like to have a little bit bigger of a size. But I think this also works really nice. But I'm excited for the fragrance oils because I want to overcome that scent so I can use it again. It's just a scent that I can't stand in my beard. And, you know, Aubrey said I stink when I went to give her a kiss goodnight. She's like, ew, your beard stinks. It was really just from the mustache wax in the sense. So that's the mustache wax. So then I talk about the company a little bit, and I love the design. So I rank out the design. I love it. I think it is so classy. It just reminds me of like an old school, new school kind of look mixed together. So I love the design. My only recommendation would be put the scent profiles actually on the labels so we can see what scents are in it. The communication with the company was good. I was able to talk to them. The website is nice. The presentation was really good, and the cost is good. And oil's $15. A 2-ounce balm is $20. I think that's fine. That's right down the middle. $15 for a 1-ounce oil, $20 for a 2-ounce balm with a twist top in a jar. I love that. So I'm all in with that. So the company came in at a 9.14 on the FRS score. We ranked that to a 9.1. So now what we do is we add them all together. We divide them out by the number of categories we have, and we put them on the Faithful Ranker score system. And overall, High Mountain Sage comes in at a 9.03. We're going to call it a flat 9. They come in at a 9 on the Faithful Ranker score. I'm going to put it up on the website. You guys can go ahead and try High Mountain Sage if you're into the all-natural essential oil type stuff. If not, it's worth trying them out anyway and supporting a company, but keep them on your radar, because I think when they come out with essential oil stuff or fragrance oil stuff, this is going to be killer. I think they got some good stuff in the works. I'm excited to try it out. So thank you guys for letting me review you guys this week. And I will be on a live stream Sunday night. I hope you all join me. Until then, let me know what you think of this review. Write in the comments below something, because I love a lot of comments. It gives me something to do when I'm bored. I can just go through and reply to the comments. Also, let me know if you like the vlogs that I've been doing down below too. And what you think now that the champ is here. What you think? Who's going to dethrone me of this belt? It ain't going to be Mosiv. It ain't going to be Kyle. It ain't going to be Joe. And it ain't going to be Swaggy. So let's see who else is going to step up, try to take this belt from your faithfully bearded Tyson over here. Start talking some crap, right? We had a hailstorm last night, broke out all my windows. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Anyway, until I talk to you guys again soon, be bearded, be you, and God bless. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell. Turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. You can also find us at faithfullybearded.com, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on your favorite podcast network. Just search Faithfully Bearded on your favorite podcast app. God bless.